What's up, everyone? We're here at Lake Sugar Tree, a new venue for us. Looking like it's going to be my type of track. We got some red clay. The weather's clearing up. It's going to be a hard-packed weekend, which I'm all about. And, it looks really awesome out there. Super pumped to have a new track, just like the next one. We're going to be at 3 Palms. So, it's cool to mix it up. And, this weekend, I'm really looking forward to it. We've been pushing hard, working hard. The bikes, we did a lot of R&D on the bike, and it came a long way. So everything seems to be in our favor this weekend, even the track. And we're just going to go out there and have fun and do the best we can.
What's up, guys? Alan Myers here at Lake Sugar Tree, Virginia. Super excited to ride this track. We've never been here before. Super nice facility, really nice track. Really excited to ride it.
What's up, guys? Just finished up here at Lake Sugar Tree. Both motos were great today. Pulled 2 starts, qualified first. Just had some really good speed on this hard-packed track, and I knew coming in here, being hard-packed, I had a really good advantage. My tracks I ride at home are very similar to this, so I just ran my lines, ran consistent laps. Chad put it on me the second moto pretty good, and I just maintained the gap I had without making mistakes, and led every lap of both motos today. And feels really good. Super pumped on it. I want to keep this ball rolling into 3 Palms, the next round we have. and just start clicking away. We just gained 6 right there, and there's definitely some hope left in the series, and I'm ready to do it.